Alright, so here's the update. Give you an idea just how thick the insulation is, about the width of my hand. There's the Crucible. That's how it's going to sit in there. I don't know if you can really see that or not. You know, once I get all this hardened, I'm going to probably cut the top off, make it level with there, but I got to put another layer in the floor, and then put the sodium silicate on there. I haven't drilled the outside yet. I'm going to do that at the very end. See what I did here is sorry I ain't got no gloves on, I shouldn't be touching this stuff. I folded it back and then tucked it in. I'm gonna try to get that seam as flush as I can get it. But I'm probably gonna take a piece of steel and go around the inside just to do a hot face. I thought I was gonna have room for brick, but I don't think I am now after all that. No more than I melt. I think I'll be okay either way it goes. If I had to do over again, probably what I would do is start with the floor first and do the floor and then put the stuff in there. After that, take plenty of time to coat your sodium silicate on there so the layers, they'll stick together to one another. Like I said, I'm going to put some stuff like either steel or something like that to where I can push it back and compact it a little bit more, and also protect against the flame. I might even put some fire clay with some grog in there. Either that, or I've seen people do some additional rigidizers besides sodium silicate, because sodium silicate will break down over time. Alright. I don't know if I'm going to get to the top today or not. I'm probably 3 hours into this project already. So, probably fixing to call it quits for the afternoon once I get a couple layers of sodium silicate on there. That's how much stuff I have left. Alright. Good luck to you.